In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace this battery brace on this Chevy Silverado 2500. This applies to the firewall mounted battery. If your truck has two batteries, there will also be another one. So we're working on the firewall mounted one. Let's get started. Take a 13mm socket, and I'm going to remove the top bolt first, just because it's more accessible. Right over here. Take that off and set it aside safely. Follow that bracket down on the battery tray. You'll see another one of these 13mm headed bolts. Remove that one as well. Pull that off, set it aside. Now you can remove the bracket. There it is. Take your new bracket, slide it down. Make sure it gets tucked underneath here first. And then I'm just going to start this bottom bolt in. I'm not going to tighten it up until I start the top one, so I can make sure it's still lined up properly. So with that one started, put this one in, thread it on, and now with both started, I know that this bracket is lined up. So since I have my extension already on my tool, I'm going to tighten up this bottom one, make it snug. And let's go to the top, tighten up the top one. Don't tighten it up too much. If you're doing it by hand, about 1/8 of a turn after it bottoms out, just make it nice and snug. There you have it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.